finally caught a fishy! Dorado, fish for dinner. First Dorado.
Yeah, finally.
Finally.
Fish on board?
Fish on board. He's even bigger and so cool. Such an awesome looking fish.
Yeah. Look forward for some dinner.
Yeah.
They're really tasty fish.
Yummy fish.
30 minutes worth of work in there?
Yeah, not bad at all.
That's all we use. It's just a, what's it called? Like a hand line.
Some tuna cord on there.
Yep, some tuna cord and then like a rubber for a snubber. Yeah, to take the shock off the fish when it hits it and kind of let him run a bit and so on.
And attached to that we have a line that we just tie off probably about 50 to 100 feet of tuna cord that has a little swivel on the end, which is where we clip on the lure that has, I don't know, 5-6 feet of monofilament. We have pretty big, thick monofilament. Since it's not a reel where we can kind of pull it in and out, we want it to be really strong. Super simple, super easy. No moving parts to really deal with other than making sure the lures are all good and our crimps and lines are good.
And we don't have any issues catching fish with that. The reason we do that, we just wanted to keep it simple. We didn't want rod and reel. We don't really know what we're doing with the rod and reel, expensive, and then, I don't know, I guess more mechanical parts that could break. This has done really well for us. We haven't had any issues really ever keeping fish on board, catching fish.
Our most popular lures are kind of like the little hoochies, feather type ones, also the red and white hoochies, little squid octopus things, and just some plain old rapalas, and those are what do the trick for us.
And the interesting thing is we thought you had to be going fast, but
we thought so. We've been under 4 knots for every one that's hit our lures.
So we're about to take off and do some spearfishing.
Yeah.
We've got 2 iron slings that we're going to play with. And see what we can catch out there.
Just got back from spearfishing. On the left we have we think it's a green jack, a couple sea chubs, triggerfish, cabria on the top right, and then a gray bar grunt.
Probably managed to get something with the Hawaiian sling. He's back there filleting right now. Good job. So we're going to have some fresh fish right here for lunch, afternoon tea and dinner. What you up to?
Just filleting our catch today.
Look at this mess.
What happens when you catch a fishy?
No matter what we do, our hooks tend to get a bit rusty. I think most of them are kind of questionable quality. Every once in a while we get some good ones that actually stay nice and shiny, but most of them get rusty pretty quick.
Since we lost the tip on the spear gun, we switched one of the like tridents off of, not trident, no. Anyway, one of the 3-prong tips.
Really easy, good one to fillet. Tons of meat on them. Look at this giant fillet over here.
That's a beauty right there. This is the result of Hillary's fine fiddling. That's a nice looking fish.
Tuna are always super bloody fish, but there's an artery that when we pull them in, we just spike the artery, and basically that kills them pretty quickly and mercifully. But it does make a big mess all over the deck. But a yummy mess. Some albacore tuna is in our future. Gonna fillet them up. Excited to have lots of tuna meals in our future. Here is dinner. Some ceviche, dorado ceviche, mahi mahi ceviche. Should be tasty.